how to secure your Amazon Prime Video account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you secure your Amazon Prime Video account. So to secure your Prime Video account, you want to set a 4-digit PIN to lock your profile, which prevent unauthorized access and purchase as well. So basically, what you want to do is here, open up your Prime Video onto your device. As you do it, so you want to click on the profile initials at the bottom and click on the gear icon, and here you could go to restricted devices, or you could simply go to my account and click on manage accounts, right? So over here you could go ahead and look for these options where you could find these add profile, or where you could find add pin, something like that. You just want to go ahead and click that out, and once you've done that, you will be able to secure your account as well. Next, you could also enable two-step verification. This adds an essential extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from your account via SMS or on authenticator app, in addition to your password when signing in from a new device. You could also use a strong unique password, that is, create a password that is at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letter, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using this password for any other online account as well. Next, you can also ensure your email address and mobile number are current, so you can receive security alert and account notifications or verification as well. So that's how you could go ahead and secure your Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.